In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Safari in background. First, you will start by opening Safari on your iPhone. To do this, locate the Safari app icon on your home screen. It looks like a blue compass. Tap on it to launch the browser. Once Safari is open, navigate to the website that contains the audio or video you wish to play. This could be anything from a music streaming site to a podcast platform. After finding the content, simply tap the play button to begin. This initial action is crucial because it sets everything in motion. You will see the video start playing or the audio begin to flow, and this is where the experience truly begins. Once the audio or video is playing, it's time to move on to the next step. You will now return to the home screen or lock your iPhone. To return to the home screen, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen if you have an iPhone without a home button. For models with a home button, press it once. If you choose to lock your phone, just press the side button. This step is important because it allows you to multitask on your device. You'll still be able to listen to your audio while accessing other apps or features. If you notice that playback stops after you've returned to the home screen or locked your device, don't worry. Simply open Control Center or check your lock screen. To access Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. If you're using an older iPhone model with a home button, swipe up from the bottom. Here you will see the media controls prominently displayed. This part is reassuring because it shows you that you still have control over your playback, even if the screen is locked or you are in another app. Next, you will want to tap the play button in the media controls. This button is usually represented by a triangle pointing to the right. By tapping it, you are initiating playback again. This action confirms that you want to continue enjoying your audio while navigating through your phone. You should hear the audio resume shortly after pressing play, which is a relief. This step ensures that you can seamlessly enjoy your media without interruption. Now you can continue using other apps while the audio plays in the background. This is where the real convenience of multitasking comes into play. You might check your email, browse social media, or even send a quick message, all while your audio continues to play. This ability to keep listening while being productive is one of the most valuable features of your iPhone. It allows you to make the most out of your time and enhances your overall experience. Before wrapping up, it's good to note that background playback depends on the website you are using. Some websites may stop playback when Safari is no longer the active app. This can be frustrating, but it is something to keep in mind as you explore different media sources. Understanding this limitation can save you time and help you plan your listening experience. Now you are equipped with the knowledge to play audio in the background on Safari. Enjoy your media while multitasking.